If you had a job or had a computer in the 90s, you must know how exciting it was to receive an email back then. Nowadays, it has become a source of clutter for our computers, phones, and other electronic devices. Emails. Love them or hate them, they have become an integral part of our lives. It's the way we do our jobs, we keep in touch with family and friends, and we organize travel and cultural activities. The following are steps so you can be on top of email and not email on top of you. The acronym to remember here is RAFT. R is for read. Assign different time slots during the day to go through your email. It should not be the first thing you do as soon as you open your eyes. Things you should do when you wake up should be calming or deciding what are your priorities for the day. Remember, email is other people's agenda. Somebody is likely to be asking you for something. A is for action. Once you're going through the emails, you will either decide if A, the email is not related to you or someone else can do it, then you forward it on and delegate. B, if it requires a very simple, quick response, then do it there and then. If it doesn't fall under A or B, that means C requires more thought, research, or just more time to respond. So, if you're very disciplined, you can mark the email as unread and have in your inbox just a short list of emails that are unread, which means they need action. If you're not as disciplined, then the other option is to grab the email and drag it into your calendar. You will drag it into the day you know you need to action this email. The last option is to just put that email into your to-do list, whatever system you use to manage your to-do list. F is for filing. These are the emails you don't have to deal anymore and you want to keep for records, either for auditory purposes or just for referral. Keeping a simple filing system within your email is vital. I am going to put here on the screen the categories I tend to recommend for you to be able to retrieve an email whenever you're trying to find it. T is for toss. Delete, junk, trash, recycling bin. So if it doesn't fall under any of the other categories, then just delete there and then. Apps exist to manage emails. I don't tend to use them personally and I don't tend to recommend them. They just add another layer and another step to dealing with email. I like to keep things simple. The size of our inbox shouldn't go beyond what we can see in our screen, because once out of sight, out of mind. We are more likely to miss deadlines and important notifications if we don't see the email anymore. If the email is very important, it is very likely we will get emailed again or get called or text. But it just helps us look professional and that we are on top of things and know how to prioritize if we're managing well our email. Oh, you're still there. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of these videos. I love it when you come and say hi on my social media platforms. Just follow the links here on the screen. Bye, until next time.